How do you join an online class?
I log in using my computer or phone.
How do you prepare for online classes?
I set up my notebook and pen before class.
How do you focus during online classes?
I sit in a quiet room and avoid distractions.
How do you take notes in online classes?
I write key points in my notebook.
How do you ask questions online?
I use the chat or raise my hand feature.
How do you interact with classmates online?
I join discussion groups and forums.
How do you submit assignments online?
I upload files to the learning platform.
How do you manage time for online classes?
I follow a daily schedule and attend on time.
How do you review lessons after class?
I watch recorded videos and read notes.
How do you participate in discussions?
I share my ideas through chat or voice.
How do you stay motivated in online classes?
I set goals and track my progress.
How do you avoid distractions?
I mute notifications and close unrelated tabs.
How do you ask for help online?
I message the teacher or join office hours.
How do you check assignments?
I log into the platform and review submissions.
How do you take quizzes online?
I answer questions on the learning platform carefully.
How do you study for online exams?
I revise notes and practice exercises.
How do you manage internet issues?
I use a stable connection and backup options.
How do you manage group projects online?
I schedule meetings and share documents.
How do you stay organized?
I keep a planner and follow deadlines.
How do you ask for clarification?
I send messages or ask during class.
How do you enjoy online classes?
I engage actively and participate in activities.
How do you submit homework on time?
I set reminders and complete work early.
How do you manage multiple online classes?
I create a schedule and follow it strictly.
How do you prepare presentations online?
I use slides and practice speaking clearly.
How do you improve concentration?
I take short breaks and focus on one class at a time.
How do you deal with technical problems?
I contact support or restart my device.
How do you take part in group discussions?
I share my opinions and listen to others.
How do you review recorded classes?
I watch the video and take notes again.
How do you manage time for homework?
I set specific hours for assignments daily.
How do you enjoy learning online?
I follow interactive lessons and quizzes.
How do you ask questions privately?
I message the teacher directly.
How do you manage distractions at home?
I find a quiet corner and inform family.
How do you check grades online?
I log into the learning portal.
How do you study after an online class?
I review notes and practice exercises.
How do you manage sleep with online classes?
I set a routine and avoid late night classes.
How do you prepare your computer?
I check software updates and internet connection.
How do you enjoy virtual group work?
I communicate actively and share ideas.
How do you manage personal tasks with classes?
I schedule tasks around class timings.
How do you take screenshots of important points?
I use the screenshot tool during lessons.
How do you improve online learning skills?
I practice typing, note-taking, and time management.
How do you prepare for exams online?
I revise recorded lessons and solve sample questions.
How do you manage distractions from devices?
I silence notifications and focus on the class.
How do you manage long online classes?
I take short breaks and stretch occasionally.
How do you enjoy group projects online?
I communicate clearly and divide tasks fairly.
How do you handle internet disconnections?
I reconnect quickly or inform the teacher.
How do you take part in polls or quizzes?
I respond through the platform quickly.
How do you interact with classmates?
I join chat rooms and group discussions.
How do you handle multiple assignments online?
I prioritize tasks and complete them step by step.
How do you check submission deadlines?
I review the platform calendar regularly.
How do you prepare before online classes?
I review previous lessons and take notes ready.
How do you manage time zones for international classes?
I convert timings and set reminders.
How do you enjoy teacher feedback?
I read comments carefully and make improvements.
How do you manage online discussion boards?
I post ideas and reply to classmates politely.
How do you manage files for class?
I organize them in folders on my computer.
How do you manage study breaks online?
I take 5-10 minute breaks after every session.
How do you join group study online?
I log in and share notes with friends.
How do you enjoy interactive lessons?
I answer questions and participate actively.
How do you manage classroom etiquette online?
I mute myself when not speaking and raise hand to talk.
How do you ask questions politely?
I use proper language in chat or voice.
How do you prepare assignments online?
I follow instructions and submit in correct format.
How do you manage time for projects?
I break them into steps and set deadlines.
How do you stay attentive in online lessons?
I take notes and participate in discussions.
How do you take screenshots for reference?
I save them in my notes folder.
How do you enjoy learning from videos?
I watch carefully and pause to understand points.
How do you organize your study area?
I keep it clean and ready for classes.
How do you stay focused during long sessions?
I drink water and take small breaks.
How do you submit assignments on learning platforms?
I upload documents in PDF or Word format.
How do you review assignments online?
I check teacher comments and make corrections.
How do you enjoy virtual labs or exercises?
I follow instructions and participate actively.
How do you prepare slides for online presentations?
I use simple designs and clear points.
How do you practice speaking in online classes?
I answer questions and give presentations.
How do you improve listening skills online?
I focus on the teacher and replay unclear parts.
How do you prepare for live discussions?
I read materials and list questions in advance.
How do you manage distractions from family?
I inform them about class timings.
How do you review recorded lessons?
I watch key parts again and take notes.
How do you enjoy interactive quizzes?
I answer quickly and check explanations.
How do you participate in breakout rooms?
I discuss with group members and share ideas.
How do you manage camera and microphone settings?
I check before class and adjust volume.
How do you enjoy online teamwork?
I communicate clearly and complete assigned tasks.
How do you prepare for class discussions?
I review notes and think about topics.
How do you enjoy teacher demonstrations online?
I watch carefully and take screenshots if needed.
How do you manage time for research online?
I schedule hours and take notes systematically.
How do you handle technical errors?
I restart software or contact support.
How do you prepare your workspace for online classes?
I keep water, notebook, and pen nearby.
How do you enjoy learning new software online?
I follow tutorials and practice daily.
How do you manage note-taking efficiently?
I write short, clear points during class.
How do you prepare questions for online lessons?
I write them in my notebook in advance.
How do you enjoy recorded lectures?
I watch at my pace and pause to understand.
How do you prepare for online tests?
I revise notes and solve practice questions.
How do you manage distractions from gadgets?
I keep only necessary tools open.
How do you manage multiple classes online?
I follow a timetable and stay organized.
How do you prepare group assignments?
I divide tasks and coordinate online.
How do you enjoy collaborative online learning?
I share ideas and learn from others.
How do you stay engaged during long lessons?
I take notes and ask questions.
How do you review assignments before submission?
I check for errors and formatting issues.
How do you enjoy interactive whiteboards?
I write answers and participate actively.
How do you prepare for a live Q&A?
I list questions and read lesson notes.
How do you manage distractions from social media?
I log out and focus on class.
How do you enjoy learning from classmates online?
I watch their work and ask questions politely.
What makes online classes productive for you?
Active participation, focus, and proper scheduling make them productive.